everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. So I am a beauty, fashion, lifestyle content creator, and today's content, of course, is going to be around beauty. It's been a while since I actually sat down and did kind of a makeup review, kind of get ready with me, so I thought that's what I do today. So I am going to be going to the beach, and I do want to wear a little bit. So I'm just going to add my sunscreen. I'm currently using Banish the Defender Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. So I'm just going to put this on my face. It's actually mind-blowing to me, like, how people don't use sunscreen. Like, I actually had a friend, no shade, but a little bit, and she was, talking about a lot of dark spots that she's been having on her face, and I asked if she wears SPF, and she said no. So yeah, like, it's definitely something you need to add. I do 2 fingers. I saw this from Black Girl Sunscreen, so I'm just going to apply this on my face. I really like this one because there is no white cast. It blends so nice, so I put it on my face, also put it on my neck because I don't want to have like an old wrinkly, old looking neck and then a younger face and hopefully chest. So yeah, this actually blends in so nicely. I was worried there'd be a white cast, but Daisy, the owner, definitely came through, and thanks Daisy. I don't know if you're watching this, but thanks Daisy for sending this over. I wear this every day, multiple times a day, because you gotta use your sunscreen, guys. Like, the sun is one of the biggest factors of aging and causes of aging. So that's all blended in. The next step I want to do, I have been loving this. It's only in Canada, unfortunately, but it is the Quo Beauty Morning Dew Primer. So this is a primer oil hybrid with hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil. I absolutely love this. I just want to show you. So the packaging is so cute. It's actually like the same packaging as Glow Recipe. So I just use like a pump or two, and it comes out orange, and I've just been putting this all over my face. Where it's orange, it kind of like corrects a little bit, I find, but it feels really nice on your skin, and it definitely makes you look really glowing, I find. I just love it. And I never hear anybody talk about it. I have no idea why. I've mentioned it on my TikTok as well because it is just so good. So it really just depends. I don't think I am going to wear any eyeshadow today. Just because where I am going to the beach, like, I don't really want eyeshadow. Sometimes I do. But the next step that I usually do is concealer. The concealer I've been loving this summer so far is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I've really been into these hydrating products, guys. Like, that's what I have been liking. So I just put a little bit here and a little bit there. This is something I learned on TikTok. And I'm just going to blend it in with a little Mary Kay sponge I have. Blends in very nicely. Definitely a huge fan of this concealer. And I have definitely some redness on my nose, so I'm just going to put a little bit on here. Okay, so you can see my under eyes definitely look a lot better than they did before. I am just going to set them because it is going to be hot out at the beach. So I'm using the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder. I really like this powder. I've actually hit pan on it, but I don't really think you get that much product, to be honest, which is unfortunate. But I guess it is a drugstore find. Okay, I gotta do my brows. So the brow product I've been using is the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel. So I don't use a whole lot of product. I just kind of run this through my brows. Yeah, like I'm not about like dramatic brows for the beach, to be honest. And I do like this. It is still quite light, but if you have like thinner eyebrows, you probably would need you might want like to use a pencil too. But I have like really thick brows, to be honest. So that is what I am going to do with my brows. The next product I like to use, just because my nose is like an area that I am a little like self-conscious about. I'm just using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, and I'm going to put a little bit of product on my nose with my Real Techniques brush just to contour it a little bit, because I have a very like wide nose. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of color here, like I do like this bronzer, but like I don't understand the hype, to be honest. The color I have, what even color is this? Honey Dip. When it came to Canada, I was so excited. Now I'm like, I barely ever use this. I actually forgot I had it, to be honest. Which isn't good, because I don't want to have so many products that I forget what I own. So that's what I do for bronzer. For blush, I've been in love with these Mary Kay Gel Cream blushes. I'm using the Dewy Peach one. These are so nice. I do find, though, they're very difficult to, like, get out. I feel like I squeeze too much product out, and it creates a mess. So I'm just going to dab a little bit onto my cheeks. I'm loving cream blushes this summer. These Mary Kay ones are definitely my favorite. I do like the Tarte one, and I've tried the Rare Beauty one. I know like everybody loves it, but I don't have the right shade for me. So I think I need like another shade, to be honest. But I do like it when I try it. So, but these ones I'm in love with, and they have 4 shades. So I really like the look of this, and I think it makes you look like really glowy and really natural, I think. So I do like that. I am going to put a tiny bit of highlight on. So I'm using from Merit Beauty. This is their highlighting balm in Cava. I do like this, but it's so hard to use because I find it transfers. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose, blend it in, a little bit on my cheeks, and then I'm going to pat it in. But I do like the natural kind of glow it gives, like a glow with inside. Yeah, like I feel really glowy and really, I feel cute. So that's kind of, I think, so I'm just going to brush off that excess powder and blend everything in. So that's what I'm gonna do for my base. Like, this is just a primer, guys. Like, I can't believe the performance of this. Like, you do not need foundation with this primer because it just makes your skin look that good. So I am going to set this with the setting spray. I'm just going to use the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. There we go. And not going to put any eyeliner on because, like, no. But I am going to put a little bit of a mascara. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Curl Bounce. This is like a drugstore mascara I've been using lately. Now I'm going to put on a lip product. So this is also from Merit. It is their Au Naturel Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. Absolutely love this too. Matches my dress. Here it is. So this is my kind of like clean girl, glowy, natural, minimalistic makeup look that I've been doing lately. I'd love to know, like, what are you feeling for summer? Are you still full glam? Don't get me wrong, I am on a night out, but for most days, and especially I'm still working from home. Also, if you aren't subscribed, hit the button down below and check out my other social medias that are linked below as well. But I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.